Guys, this is me Riddhi and I make book related videos on the channel. So if you are new, make sure you subscribe and also click the bell notification so you will get notified anytime I post a new video. So I make bookish content on the channel and you love books, then please like this video. So today's video is going to be about the books I'm currently reading. So I just want to tell you guys which are books I am currently reading and of which books I will going to do a review. So without further ado, let's get started the video. So the first book which I am reading is Ram by Amish Tripathi. So it's the first book in the Ramchandra series and I think I have probably completed 230 pages of this book and I am really liking this book. Many of the book lovers don't like this book, but I just like this book, and if happens soon I'm going to do a review of this book. And yeah, it's really an amazing book and I want you should try out and give it a chance of reading if you want, because I just don't want you guys to leave a book. I just wanted you should try out this book for reading. And now the second book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, Joseph Murphy. So this is actually a self-help book and it's really not a bad book. It's a good book. I just can't tell you what are my views on this book, but I am really going to do soon the review of this book, and I have completed 147 of this book out of 236 pages because it's a little bit difficult to read it fast. It is a little bit boring for me, but if I'm really going to do the review of this book, it's a lot. I am going to do a video it's about this and I'm going to reviewing this book. It's an announcement for my second or another video whenever I'm going to complete this book. And now the third book which I am currently reading is this कैसे हासिल करें जो आपको चाहिए. So it's a Hindi book and I just liked Hindi literature also. I read Hindi literature and it's a really good book. It's actually it's a really good, so many pages are there of this book, and this book actually consists of every small topics are there which are actually given in, which are explained in a small way. Like one topic is given like Nishay, and the Nishay topic is explained in 2 pages, but in 2 pages also this book is explained so well that you are really going to love this book. If this book can be in your any shop, you can get this book because this book is not by any writer, it's actually by the publishers. So I just like this book. It's a really good book. And the fourth book which I am reading is Hitkush Vidyarthi by Swami Purushottamananda. So it's a really good book for all the students who wanted to score good in their studies should read this book. This book is in the Marathi, but still this book explains so properly how a student should grow in studies and everything. And I have just started this book reading from tomorrow, so I have not completed much pages, like I am on page number 10. So just it's a really a good book, and if these books are there in your any local library or any small library, you are going to get this book, because actually I buy this book from a sale who was in my town place. So I just liking this book by reading the 10 pages of this book. And now the fifth book is The Fault in Our Stars. So The Fault in Our Stars is actually a story about 2 cancer couples, how they risk their life, and it's by John Green, and it's really a young adult and a sad story. They all just I have not read Fault in Our Stars, but I wanted to read, and I'm reading one of the ebooks, so I just don't have the physical copy of that book. And the last book which I'm currently reading is, so it's an audio book which I am listening, and the book is The Old Man and the Sea by Ernest Hemingway. So it's kind of like a children book and it's not way too big, so I'm going to complete this book this June only. So that's it guys. So this was all the books which I am currently reading it, and some of these books review I'm going to do soon. And if you want more bookish content, so please subscribe to my channel and also click the thumbs up to this video, and let's meet you on the next weekend. So then bye guys.